Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying parts, plug, seal, and aperture, no dust, chips, or distortion. Once clean, confirm exact plug-to-aperture match. An undersized plug leaks, oversized damages the flange. You position the seal evenly, then insert the plug straight, not angled, to avoid scraping. Make sure to hand thread any fasteners first, then use a calibrated torque wrench set to the specified value. This prevents overcompression of the seal, while establishing the initial vacuum tightness you need. Once the plug is seated, apply a thin, compatible lubricant to threads only if the spec allows. Excess contaminates the cavity. You tighten fasteners in a cross pattern to distribute load evenly. Do this in 3 measured stages, about 30%, then 60%, then full spec torque. After each stage, check that the seal compresses evenly around the perimeter. Finally, use a leak detector or pressure decay test to quantify leakage. If readings drift, back off and reevaluate the seal seating and torque sequence. You complete the job by running a full pressure hold test for the specified interval. Watch the gauge and record results. If you detect a persistent leak, stop immediately. Depressurize, remove the plug, re-clean mating surfaces, inspect or replace the gasket, and reinstall using the same staged torque sequence. Make sure to document plug serial, seal type, applied torques, and final leak rate. This creates a traceable record and helps diagnose recurring failures. A single troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.